Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ginger beige ambi-text interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, sunroof, convenience package with rear shades, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 36,796 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.